By 2025, hybrid cars will become an affordable, practical, and mainstream option for those looking to drive sustainably without sacrificing performance. One of the biggest advantages of hybrid vehicles is their ability to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By combining electric power with gasoline engines, hybrid cars can achieve lower CO2 emissions. Hybrid cars release less carbon dioxide than traditional vehicles because the electric motor handles part of the driving load, reducing the reliance on gasoline. Fewer pollutants. Besides CO2, hybrid cars produce fewer harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, helping to reduce air pollution in urban areas. Energy efficiency. Hybrids recover energy during braking, storing it in the battery to power the electric motor, further enhancing fuel efficiency. By 2025, hybrid cars will play a significant role in reducing global emissions and improving air quality, helping cities meet environmental goals and move towards sustainability. As hybrid technology advances, we can expect several exciting developments in 2025. Improved battery technology. Hybrid vehicles will feature larger, more efficient batteries, increasing the all-electric range of plug-in hybrids and improving overall vehicle performance. Smarter hybrid systems. Future hybrids will come with AI-driven power management systems, which will optimize when the electric motor and gasoline engine should be used for maximum fuel efficiency. Lightweight materials. Automakers will incorporate lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to reduce the weight of hybrid cars, improving fuel economy and performance.